Hello, everybody. This is Sasha Monique Talks. Hello, my friends. I'm here with the wig review. So I got a wig from Temu. I haven't tried it yet. It's in this little plastic bag that doesn't have no tag or anything in there. So let me check it out. Take this net off. So this is a Pixie wig. Now you guys seem to like the other one. This one, straight out the package, is shiny as heck. We got to see how this one is going to be. So let me open it up. It has a nice filling cap, nice strong cap, and then it has the adjustable straps here in the back. So since I got the other wig and you guys let me know that you like it, I said let me try some more shorter wigs. Let's just see how they're gonna look. So I'm trying to fix this strap here. Okay, so it has the adjustable strap. It seems like it's a small cap wig. Seems to be. So let me try it. I'll come back and I'll have this on my head, y'all. Let's pause a little bit. Okay. In the heck? What in the heck is this? What? 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 Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. What in the heck is going on with this wig, y'all? This is a shiny. This is a shiny mess here. It looks like doll hair, okay? Doll hair. Doll hair. I looked at the reviews. I saw some people didn't like it, and then some people, it looked okay on them. But this here, honey child, doll hair. I can't do nothing with this. They say put a little powder on it. I may try that, but look, y'all, I'm not gonna tell a bunch of lies. This is a mess here. That's a mess right there. Why is it so doggone shiny? It wouldn't be as bad if it wasn't so shiny. It looked like them wigs from the 70s, y'all. They still making them shiny like this? Ow. Ooh. Too much, Look like I should be singing that song. Can't stay away. I just can't stay away from you. No. That's what I can't do. I know I'm a fool, y'all. Like I said, it wouldn't be so bad. No. I love that song, y'all. It's old school, and that joker there is feeling that song straight to his liver, y'all. I just can't stay away from you. No, no. Oh, Lord. I'm going to go and put some earrings on. But ladies, this is not for me. This is not for me. I'm going to put on some earrings. I'll be right back. It looks a little bit better with the earrings, but that shine is not doing it, y'all. It's not doing it. I'm looking crazy in this. One time I ordered, this is many years ago, I ordered a wig from Amazon. I got that joker here. I tried to put the powder on it. Cornstarch, I think they said. Put cornstarch on it. I thought it was dulling that shine. And I went outside, honey. And this lady, she's a little loudmouth and little, throwed off a little bit. She said, that looks like doll hair. It's real shiny. But I see what she mean. Lord, I see what she mean. Woo. Look, y'all, this wasn't sponsored. I am sponsored by Temu. This is not sponsored. I decided to start buying, stuff that I want to try myself. Because they want you to post, so much and all that stuff. And they have nice things, though. But I brought this with my own money. So, if you see this wig, you might want to run past it, y'all, because this is not it. This is not it. Okay, so thank you so much for watching. If y'all still like this necklace, it's down in the description box, okay? All right, then. Bye. Have a great day.